Here's a quick look at the Phaeton 37BH. This is the beautiful frosted granite exterior. Let's check out the storage. Hydraulic pump, storage, manual pass-through tray, exterior TV, more storage, holding tanks, chassis batteries, storage, power management, storage, more storage, 50 amp shore power cord, DEF tank, wet bay, 450 diesel aqua hot, manual pass-through tray, house batteries. Welcome to the beautiful 37BH interior. This is the seagrass interior decor package with the linen cabinets. This coach is coming to the Music City Motorhome Expo as well, so can't wait to see you all there. We optioned in the theater seating across from the fireplace, and we get all that storage when we go with that fireplace. Look at that, it's amazing. And storage on both sides. Great big TV. Window behind it. Then we've got storage all the way across the top. Optional booth dinette with storage underneath. Then we go into our kitchen. Great storage above. Convection microwave, air fryer. Beautiful countertop, induction cooktop, sink. And then we've got the extendable dinette. All 4 drawers, or 1, 2, 3 drawers. Optional dishwasher, more storage, huge refrigerator freezer with water and ice in the door. And then we have our pantry with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 locking shelves that pull out. Midship bathroom, toilet with push button controls, solid surface countertop, storage and medicine cabinet above, and more storage below. Towel bar here on the door and a nice big mirror in there. King size bed, storage above, and then check out all the storage across from the bed. So I'll go ahead and open this up because this is different than anything we've seen so far. So 6 drawers, the hamper, and then we have wardrobe, more wardrobe, and I forgot to tell you, we did option in the overhead bunk. We've got the telescoping ladder in there that will help you get into that bunk. As I come into the rear bathroom, we've got the nice big shower, towel bar, skylight there, and then we've got the 1 bowl sink here, but all this counter space, which is nice. Breaker box, the medicine cabinet, and check out how deep that is. Beautiful backsplash again. More storage. Pull-out drawers. Washer and dryer. And toilet with push-button controls.